Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you are seeing this video. So this is a tutorial on how to share your screen during a Zoom meeting presentation. If you are asked to share your screen or if you want to project your PowerPoint presentation, this tutorial will guide you on how to do that. So what is the first step? The first step is to open your presentation slides, your PowerPoint presentation. If you come here, if you can follow my cursor, my presentation is already open, right? So your presentation slides must be open so that you don't start struggling. So it's already open. So the next step is to go to the link where, let me just exit. So this is the link. I'm going to join the Zoom meeting. So I'm joining now. Once join from browser. So once you join the meeting, or if you're already in the meeting, the next thing is to note the buttons that are going to be very useful to you. One of them is you need to unmute and you need to open your video. Like Prof will always request that you should show your face. So these are the unmute button. This is the start video. So I would recommend that before you start sharing your screen, unmute and also start the video. I'm not going to start the video. All right. So unmute and start the video. Then you come to this place. You'll see share screen. Click on share screen. It will open three tabs, right? The see Chrome tab, window tab, and entire screen. So which one are you going to select? Come to window tab. You will see my presentation that I already opened. That's why I said open your presentation first. So you select it, you highlight it. I've selected it. The next thing you see this share has highlighted. So you can click it. It's not clickable. You click on share. So it is already sharing, right? Once you click on share, Prof will start shouting that you should put it on slideshow. So how do you put it on slideshow? This is the point where some people start struggling. So how do you put it on slideshow? You come to this place, see my cursor just below, um right lower corner of the screen. You will see normal. This one is highlighted normal. If you can see it, if you can view it, you will see slide sorter. You see reading view. This is slideshow, right? This one that looks like a cup, a glass cup, wine cup. That's how the icon resembles a wine cup. So slideshow, you tap on the slideshow, you click it. Once you click it, it's on slideshow, right? Now you can operate your slides from here. You don't need to exit this page. All you need to do, because you remember you'll be reading what you are presenting to Prof. So all you need to do is to use your up and down cursor key on your laptop to be moving up and down. So if I want to go down, you click on down, click on down. If I want to go up, you click on up, right? So that is how to share your screen. If you have any query, you have any reservation, comments, or concerns, please drop it in the chat box in the comment section. I will be glad if you can like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and over.